everyone. This is Tom Salemi from Device Talks. I got a heads up for you. On Wednesday, March 31st at 2 p.m., Device Talks. We're joining forces with medical design and outsourcing, Design World, electronics engineering, fluid power world, and R&D world. These are all part of our sister publications, all part of WTWH Media. We're working together on creating this important series. It's called Women in Engineering, and it's going to be a great conversation led by our very own Lisa Itel of Design World. She'll be talking with Lauren Wickert of Magadia Consulting and Anush Askuian of Ship and Shore Environmental. They'll be talking about their successful strategies for working in the engineering field. It's going to be a really important conversation. We hope you'll be part of it. You can register for free for this webinar. Just click on the link in the comments section below. We certainly hope you'll join us for, once again, this important conversation. And as always, please, if you're looking for the best news and analysis in the medical device industry, go to Medical Design and Outsourcing. We've got stories, podcasts, everything else you need to learn how to do your job better. So go to medicaldesignandoutsourcing.com, and of course, follow us on all social media channels. Thanks.